Students of class 7, today we will do exercise of chapter number 3, page number 42. Part A, fill in the blanks. WWW is a system of interconnected network across the world. World Wide Web is a system of interconnected network across the globe. Dash is the main protocol used on the web. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Dash is the computer for the user to access the internet. Web client is the computer for the user to access the internet. One can access the net only through ISP provider, Internet Service Provider. ISP provider, Internet Service Provider. The web server is a collection of interlinked web pages. Part B, match the following: e-commerce, online trading. E, web server, host computer. D, FTP, a protocol. B, creating a website. Web hosting. A, ISP, company that offer internet service. ISP, company that offer internet service. E, D, B, A, C. Part C, expand the following abbreviation. First one, IP. IP stands for Internet Protocol. Internet Protocol. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. Transmission Control Protocol. Sixth one is World Wide Web Consortium. World Wide Web Consortium. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. WWW stands for World Wide Web. World Wide Web. Answer the following question. This one you have to do on your notebooks. World Wide Web is a system of interconnected internet servers that contain hypertext document. What are protocols? Protocols are the set of rules to be followed for data communication on the internet. Internet protocols are the set of rules that allow data communication on the internet. First one is HTTP, FTP, SMTP, TCP or IP. Name components of the web. The components of the web are web client, web server, web browser, internet service provider. Web client, web server, web browser, internet service provider. What is web hosting? It is a facility that allows individuals and organizations to make their own website. The website is then accessible to the whole world through the World Wide Web. What is web hosting? Page number 37. Name any three applications of the web. First one is e-commerce or electronic commerce is an online trading or exchanging of goods, services and information. There are several websites on the web where you can buy or sell products. First one is e-commerce or electronic commerce. Second one is education. World Wide Web play a major role in education. Few basic educational elements of the web are online tutorials, web publishing, online forums, easy navigation from source to source. Education. Third one is entertainment. World Wide Web hosts millions of websites offering all types of content for entertainment. Three applications of the web: e-commerce, education, entertainment. Exercise of chapter number 3, class 7.